Hello ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Blue Computing. Today I'm going to show you how to check your lost phone's location through your Gmail account. In the previous video, I showed you how to check whether your Gmail account is hacked or not. Please watch that video. You can also check someone's phone location if you have a Gmail account login on that phone. Please ensure that the location is on that phone or computer. To check those, go to your Gmail account through the browser by clicking myaccount.google.com. You have to log into your Gmail account through ID and password. You are watching this interface. Now click the Security tab. Go down. You will find your devices. Click on Manage All Devices. You see that the panel shows the login devices that you have logged in last previous days or months. You can check individual mobile and computer devices that you have logged in. To check your login device location, click on the device that you have logged in previous days or months. You can see here the device name, type, location, and login date. Now click Find Device Location. Click Accept to continue. Now the system is finding your device. It will take some time. You can also see the battery percentage of the phone. Now the map is locating your device. You can see the exact location of your lost phone. You can do the same on your mobile. Go to your mobile phone Gmail account. Now click on your picture from the right top. You can see the sign-in information here. Go for your Google account. Click on the Security tab. Go down and press Manage All Devices. You can check here all of your devices that we have logged in before. Click on the device and click Find Location. Please ensure that the location is on that phone. If you find this video useful, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the full video.